は。Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna try to make cold pasta. So using カッペリーニ. So English name is angel hair pasta. Angel hair. ね。細いパスタね。これ冷製に非常にいいです。夏向きで。So using カッペリーニ angel hair pasta serving with seafood. アサリ、ショートネックラン and squid and baby scallop and shrimp. So making tomato sauce. Okay. The easy to make making seafood tomato sauce first. So this pasta capellini is angel hair, but takes about just 2 minutes. Very fast to boil. Okay. So garlic chop. Chili pepper. So have to need anchovy paste. So this one is very important. Make good rich flavor in cold seafood tomato sauce. Anchovy paste. Okay. Chopped garlic. Anchovy paste, chili pepper, and olive oil. Turn on the switch, high flame. So first step, cook short neck lamb, asari. White wine, little bit. I'm just using closed short neck lamb. これ冷凍しといたアサリだからちょっと飽きにくいんですけど、煮込んでればね飽きますから。Little bit take time to open because I'm just using closed short neck lamb asari and baby scallop, shrimp and squid. tomato, secret season, naampula little bit. ちょっとね、旨味を必要なので隠し味でナンプラーを入れました。ナンプラーはね、必ずよく加熱してください。臭みがあるのでね。So if you want to use naampula, you must heating up because naampula has a little bit smell, you know. That's why you just heating up, remove bad smell. But naampula is a good secret seasoning, making more rich flavor. このソースをね、冷やします。So, cooling down. .こういう冷やすときはね、こういう金属のボウルの方が熱伝導が早いので、もしあったら使った方がいいですね。I really recommend if you want cooling down like a pasta sauce, you better use a metal type of a bowl. Little bit fast the cooling down. Okay, angel hair pasta boiling. Takes about, I think, 1.5 minutes. Very fast. A little bit olive oil. Angel hair seafood tomato sauce pasta. いただきます。It's so good. Good matching in the hot season. Called カッペリーニエンジェルヘア。This is the restaurant quality. So because I was doing a pasta shop in Tokyo, Setaga area, about 6 years. I'm a pasta restaurant owner. So this seafood tomato sauce, angelhair,カッペリーニpasta is very popular in my shop. うまっ。このエンジェルヘアパスタね、そうめんとまた異なって食感が独特で美味しいですね。So angel hair pasta is a good texture. The chewing texture is so good. Good matching with olive oil and then seafood tomato sauce. I love it. So if you want to make this kind seafood tomato sauce, the point is don't boil too much because all seafood getting hard texture. That's why make quickly and short, then cooling down. This is not so difficult making recipe, so please try it. 比較的ね簡単にできますので、ソースも多めに作ってね置いて、冷やしてね次の日に、エンジェルヘアと合わせたり、あるいはねアレンジですけどそうめんとかの片茹でにしてねやったりとかいろいろいいと思います。So thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good cold pasta. Bye.